Today's video is all about the Illuminator. The Illuminator is a multi-use moisturizing treatment. What the Illuminator does, it gives you this complexion boosting glow. It's jam-packed with rich antioxidants such as marula oil and sea buckthorn berry oil. These oils plump, protect, and rejuvenate the skin. You can use this as a moisturizer, as a primer for your skin before you put your makeup on. It's infused with diamond powder that just catches the light perfectly, gives you that glow of cheekbones, that glow of healthy skin.